Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I will draw this object and you will try to find out the volume of this 3D objects. I think everybody will try to find out the volumes in centimeter cube and in cubic centimeter. So, you are watching the object. I will draw it. You will watch it carefully. And dimension, you will try to understand what I have said when I draw a object by using the dimension. So at first I am taking the new file, part is selected, then OK. After that I am selecting the CGS, centimeter gram and second. After that I am taking the top plane, then sketch is selected, going here and select the center rectangle. Sketch a rectangle again. Okay, then go to this part dimension and determine the dimension. This size will be point is created, so again I am taking the dimension, and this one will be 50 centimeters, and the length, okay, I can take this also 55, and the breadth or width will be 50. Okay, done. Okay, exit. Then go to the features, extrude process select, then OK. And I am taking the thickness will be 10 centimeter. Okay, done. Done. Okay. Then I want to sketch to the extruded boss and click on the surface, and I am taking the corner rectangle. Okay, then sketch a rectangle. I mean it will be the square shape. Then I will draw a cube. It should be 25, and this one is also 25. Then exit it. Okay, I'm taking the height will be 25. 25. Okay, done. After that, I'm going to extrude boss again and click on the surface. Then corner rectangle is taken and draw a rectangle up to this. Rectangle is click. Up to this means the dimension. This one will be 30. Okay, done. 30. This will be default, and this one is 25. So exit it. And I'm taking this one is will be thickness 5 centimeters. Only 5 centimeters. Okay. Okay, the object is done. You will find out the volume of full boards, full object. So this one was the 50. This one will be this one was 55, and the height up to this one will be 10, and up to this 5, and up to this is how much 20, because it's total from here to here is 25, so here to here 20. So I'm saying again, this one is the length is 55, this one is 50, and up to this one is 10, and this one is 5, and this one is how much? uh, 20. So 20 plus 5 plus 25, then 10, how much? 20, 25, 10, 35, and this one is how much? and this one is 55 and 50. Now you will calculate and find out the volume. So before going to the volume, I'm taking the color. Okay, I'm taking this one, red. Done. Control 7. Okay. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.